Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are cooking the amazing, tender, juicy and aromatic beef karai. Every bite is packed with flavor and you are going to love it. So without any delay, let's get started. In a pressure cooker, add 1 kg of beef, boneless or with bones, 2 big onions sliced, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 400 ml of water. Close the pressure cooker and cook on medium flame for 15 minutes after the first whistle. Once done, separate the meat and the broth. Set both aside for later use. Then in a separate cooking pan, heat half cup of oil on medium flame. Add the cooked meat and fry for 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Fry the spices with the meat for another 5 minutes. Then add 1 cup of plain yogurt. Mix well until everything is nicely combined. Now add 4 medium tomatoes sliced, 2-3 green chilies, adjust to your taste. Mix everything. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture thickens. Then add the reserved broth and cook until oil separates. Once the oil separates, add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, dried fenugreek, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped coriander. Cover and simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Then uncover and breathe in the incredible aroma of your delicious beef karai. Garnish with ginger julienne and fresh coriander. Serve hot with naan, roti or paratha, whatever you love most. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.